Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today. It's designed to help you get the most amount of funding at the best financing terms by doing three very unique things. Firstly, the Finance Suite helps you improve your fundability foundation. These are the things that really get you denied. And by fixing these things, you exponentially increase the probability of getting approved. Next, the Finance Suite gets you access to every legitimate funding option through over 1,000 different funding sources. And the Finance Suite also helps you through a step-by-step tiered system to build your business credit, which cuts years off the business credit building process and condenses it to only months. So it all starts right here in step one, a fundability foundation. Look, most business owners get denied for credit financing and think it's because of their revenue or their credit score or their time in business. But most applications are denied because you just don't look credible to lenders and credit issuers. Now, lenders and credit issuers call this fundability. And in step one, we're walking through every aspect of what lenders are looking for to make sure that you're in compliance, to make sure that you meet and exceed their standards. So for example, you wouldn't want to choose a business name that reflects you're in a high-risk industry. So in step one, you can go through short video training that explains that, enter your business name. You're even able to access a restricted industry list and even able to come in and check your information with Secretary of State to make sure that your information is all congruent. So as you've navigated through step one, now you've set up your business where it's fundable. Now you've exponentially improved your probability of getting approved. So the next step is to help you get set up with the business credit reporting agencies. So the Finance Suite in step two will help you get set up with Equifax, with Experian, and with Dun & Bradstreet. It will also help you fix inaccuracies on your business credit reports. So not only will the Finance Suite help you build new business credit, but it'll help you fix damaged business credit at the same time. Now we're going to help you start getting approved for real business credit building accounts. And all of this is available through the step-by-step system that is the Finance Suite, along with coaches that provide concierge servicing with you. So these coaches will walk through the process with you to help you get better results even faster. They'll be contacting you, and you can contact them through chat, through email, and through phone as well. So next, we're going to start building business credit by getting our first business credit building accounts. Now, the Finance Suite gives you the largest selection of accounts to build your business credit, and it also gives you a lot of information that will help you get results even faster. It tells you all the accounts that are actually recommended that you qualify for. It tiers it and tells you the steps or the order to apply for the accounts. It even lists the actual underwriting guidelines for every single source that you're looking at. This way you know you can meet the criteria before you even apply. It tells you where the accounts actually report to. This helps you get even faster results because an account that reports to multiple reporting agencies will help you grow business credit faster than an account that only reports to one. And you're able to get the secret link for application right here as well. Even the terms, guarantee, no guarantee, all the information you're going to want on that account from our data team working with underwriters is all supplied for every single source in the Finance Suite. Next, you're going to access your business credit reports. Now, you can actually tap into Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian to get their data from the Finance Suite, but that could cost hundreds of dollars a month. So the Finance Suite is the only place where you're actually able to tap in and get the same business data that lenders are using. It's called Bureau Insights, and these are the same reports that lenders use to make decisions about you. As a matter of fact, the Finance Suite, this is the only place you're even able to access these reports unless you're an actual lender. You'll get multiple reports, multiple scores. You'll be able to get multiple ratings. You're able to come in here and see your utilization. You're able to see fraud flags and things that are warning lenders of what to be cautious for so you know what to fix. You're able to see the same Secretary of State firmographic information about your business they're using to make decisions, like your annual sales amount, even the number of employees you have. Even your SIC, your NAICS, your industry indicators are all here as well. You're able to see your payment trends. You're able to see summaries, your legal filing data. All the same information lenders have access to now for the first time ever is in your hands. You're even able to access collection data, bankruptcies, tax liens, UCC filings, and so much more. So through this, the Finance Suite gives you access to the same data that lenders are using and the same reports. So through the Finance Suite, you're able to tap into reports that a lot of entrepreneurs know nothing about, like LexisNexis or ChexSystems. This is where lenders are actually getting their data from. And by giving you access to the same data they have, it gives you an unfair advantage in your quest to be able to get maximum funding for your business. Then you're able to navigate through the tiers of business credit building, and the more accounts that you get added to your business credit reports, the more tiers of credit become available for you. The Finance Suite has the largest selection of accounts available for you, from vendor accounts at almost every major retailer, all the way to be able to get auto financing without a personal guarantee and credit check, being able to get universal credit, which is Visa card, MasterCard, American Express accounts. All of this is available, and much of it is available to you without a personal guarantee. You're even able to access advanced vendors, and advanced vendors are vendors that will give you credit based on your business credit quality, but don't report the credit they give you to the reporting agencies. Most that talk about business credit building don't even know anything about these vendors because they don't report the credit they give you. But they provide you a tremendous amount of value because they will approve you for business credit based on your established business credit quality. So accounts like Amazon or American Express, for example, or many, many more become available to you that you can use to grow your business, much of which is available without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. The Finance Suite has additional features as well, including a marketplace of resources that can help you as you grow your business, business valuations to see how much your business is worth at any given time, and everything you need to maximize the funding for your business. The Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive solution in the world today to help you get the most money for your business at the best financing terms.